Aaron here with Rent Portland Homes, and today we are taking a look at this gorgeous property here. I just walked through it. It's amazing. I think you guys are really gonna like it. Let's go take a look. So it's on the corner unit of these new condos here, new townhomes. We're looking at 603 Northeast 92nd Street. One thing I noticed, super close to 205, which is really nice. So let's walk in. So you're right off of 205, right off of Gleason. It's great. First thing that I noticed when I walked in was the two doors, and then obviously the staircase up to the rest of the house. So let's take a look through the first door. Door number one, this would be the laundry room. So we've got the water heater in here and hookups for washer and dryer. Awesome tile floor. This could be kind of a mud room off of the main entryway for shoes and things like that. You've got a fan and lights in here. So just gives you a little bit more storage space. Through door number two, and this is a huge part of this house, I think, personally, is all of this garage space. So it's an oversized garage, back access through the back parking lot of the apartments, and it's enormous. You could easily fit 2 or even 3 cars in here if you parked them right. Tons of space for whatever you could possibly need. Anyway, you guys know what to do with a garage. I'm gonna let your imaginations run with it. So let's go see the rest of this house. Up staircase number one. By the way, brand new carpet, brand new flooring, everything. We walk directly into the kitchen, and this could be a dining area super easily. But the kitchen is absolutely beautiful. All brand new appliances, brand new cabinets, huge fridge with the water thingy on the front, which is my favorite thing about fridges these days. Got an island, all granite countertops, tons of storage space in the island. Cabinets up above, cabinets up above. Really, this is like an amazing kitchen. I really love all the details, everything in it. It's very well done. It's very open to the rest of the home, which is cool. Off of the kitchen is one of the 4 bedrooms in the place. This one's a little bit smaller than the other ones, but you still have a really good view outside. So right out there is Gleason Street running kind of parallel to this window. We're on the corner of Northeast 92nd and Hoyt, in case you guys were wondering. And here is the closet for this first bedroom. Bigger than you would think. It kind of sticks out on either side from the doorway. So plenty of space in here. The electrical panel's also in this room for easy access if you need it. And right off of this bedroom entryway area is the back porch, which I love. Little balcony. Has a view away from 205 and Gleason, so it's a little quieter back here, which is really nice. This is where the garage entry is, right down there below us. And this is all kind of a private little drive-in area, so you don't have to worry about other people cluttering up your parking or anything like that. There is an outlet out here as well, so if you want to put chairs or something out here, use a laptop, come out and study when the weather's nicer, that's a really good option as well. Let's go take a look through the rest of the house, shall we? So through this hallway, off of the kitchen, we got the first of the bathrooms as well, and these are wonderful. Brand new everything, also granite countertops, shower and tub in here. You've got a glass shower thing so that you don't have to worry about those pesky curtains, and a ton of storage in this tiny little closet. And this is one of my favorite things about this property is how many of these little kind of half-size closets there are off of just pretty much every usable piece of space that they have. So like there's one right here, right outside of the bathroom here is another hall closet. You could hang coats and stuff in here, shoes, cleaning supplies, that sort of stuff. This, right down the end of this hallway, is the living room, family room area. Nice, gorgeous big windows. You've got another closet here for storage, also with those huge shelves. This thing is really awesome. This home seems very bright and has lots of light, especially on a gloomy day. Yes, absolutely. I mean, today it's pouring down rain outside and it's still beautiful and bright and warm. Honestly, this place is amazing. The floors, too, are a wonderful accent. I really like how they're done. kind of brings everything together. So let's go up staircase number 2, directly above staircase number 1. The upstairs is all carpet, which is pretty great. Over here, so we've got another bathroom right off of this hallway. I think it's directly above the other bathroom, and it's the same exact layout, except it doesn't have one of those little closets. It just has the towel bar here. But same shower, same toilet, same countertops and everything. And over here on the corner, we have the second of the bedrooms, and this one is quite a bit larger than the one downstairs. Same size closet and everything, but a little bit bigger floor plan. Nice and warm. I love carpets in bedrooms. Me too. Me too. So let's run through this. We've got bedroom number 2 in the middle here. This one's about the same size as the one downstairs. Same size closet and everything. Nice big window off the south side, so you're gonna get a ton of light through there. And then right through here we have the master. And this is a great room. It's huge, as you can kind of see. And through here we have the walk-in closet. So wraparound bars to both sides with a little bit of center shelving, and then a bathroom off the master as well. So we've got a secondary room for toilet and shower, and then a his and hers sink situation. Hi everybody. I love the windows in the master too. It's really, really nice how they've set this up. And a nice big blank wall space where you can put up the bed or anything that you want, really. You could cover the walls with stuff. This wall's also blank over here. Really nice big room with a great little entryway corridor here. So that does it for this condo. You guys have seen everything here now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little tour. I've got people here right now, so I have to go actually and show this place to people in person, but the link for the listing for this condo is in our bio. You can check it out there. You can make applications and things there as well, and if you'd like to schedule a showing, just go ahead and call the number that we have listed on the listing. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions for us, don't hesitate to send us a direct message or something like that. Otherwise, that was our walkthrough for Thursday. We'll be back next Tuesday with another one at 2 p.m. as always. Thank you guys for tuning in. It was lovely. I had a great time, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.